Hello guys, and welcome to another edition of this video. For those new on this channel and for those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. For this encourages us to produce more of your content and solve your worries. So today we're going to go into another technique of differentiation, which is going to be the quotient rule. So we're going to take the quotient rule. The quotient rule here simply has to do with functions defined such as f of x, where we have maybe a certain g of x ordered on h of x. That means functions which are separated by a division sign. For example, you're going to be given functions as such, maybe function x plus 1 ordered on x plus 2, and you're asked to find its derivative. As simple as this, we're going to be learning how to do this, and the formula for this is simply going to be dy by dx is going to be simply v du on dx minus u dv on dx, all that on v squared. Now for easy memorization, where you have to first of all define where your u and your v is in this equation. So I always let it to be u on v. Always take it like this. When you have the function, note it to be u on a certain v, where now we can simply say bottom, this is the bottom and this is the top. So we can say bottom d top minus top d bottom, all that on bottom squared. Can be written as bottom d top minus top d bottom, all that on the bottom squared. For you to easily remember, I said bottom d top minus top d bottom on bottom squared. So now we're going to differentiate that and see what it actually gives us. So the equation was, let's say y is equals to x plus 1 ordered on x plus 2. So as I said, you have to differentiate this. Let's first define what our u and our v is principally going to be, which is going to be here u and here v. So the solution to this, we're going to apply a formula v du on dx minus u on dv on dx ordered on v squared. So what is v? V is given by x plus 2. So we have x plus 2, all that brackets, and then du is us differentiating this top. If we differentiate x plus 1, it's simple polynomial differentiation. We are going to differentiate all its terms. If we differentiate this, what are we simply going to have? We're going to have a 1. Why? Because if you raise to the power 1, so if we take 1 minus 1 here, it gives us 0, and we are left with x to the 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1, and the differentiation of a constant is 0. So we have 1 plus 0 as its derivative. So we are going to simply say times 1 minus u. We simply write back the top again, x plus 1, then dv. We differentiate x plus 2 also. We differentiate x plus 2. We're obviously still going to have 1 because the derivative of a constant is 0. Any constant, be it 1000, is still going to be 0. So it's dot 1 again. And so we divide all that by what? The bottom square, which is given as v squared x plus 2, all that squared. Now, we can write this as x plus 2 minus x minus 1, all that on x plus 2, all that squared. Now, if we simplify this, we're going to have our dy by dx giving us our dy by dx, simply giving us, we see here that x is going to go away, and we're left with 2. 2 minus 1 is going to be 1. All that on, let me fix the paper so you can really see. All that on x plus 2 all that squared, and that's the derivative of that. So guys, hang up for more videos, subscribe for those new on the channel. If there was any problem, just write it down in the comment section below. I'm going to be solving most of your problems. Thanks for watching.